We are here at the Premier Inn at Euston. So this is a double bed or queen room. So let's have a look around and check out what you get. So as you come in, this is the door with the fire safety sign and this little peephole thing so you can see what's outside. And then you get your door with a lock and this little sign to tell them if you want to have your room cleaned. And then if we look over to the side, there's this full-length mirror, and then round on the other side there is some coat hooks, this light switch which makes it dark over there, and then this little wardrobe unit. So on the wardrobe unit there's a bottle opener, another mirror with lights on either side, and then a kettle with tea making facilities. And then further down below that there is a hairdryer and a bin, and you get this little container of tea making materials. On the opposite wall there's this light switch for the bathroom, we'll go in there later, and then this air conditioning control that doesn't actually work as far as I can tell. I don't think the aircon works at this hotel currently. You get a fan which is over there instead. As we carry on round, there is the next part of the wardrobe unit. You get some coat hangers, not the fancy felt lined ones, but some coat hangers, some storage space there, some extra pillows and stuff, and then just really your regular wardrobe with shelves and some plug sockets on this one as well. So that is the wardrobe on the side as you come in. And then carrying on round, you get a radiator mounted to the wall. Yeah, there's a radiator. And then next to it there's the fan, which they emailed me to say replaces the air conditioning because it's not working currently or something like that. The fan is next to the desk. There's a desk. Above it you get this very bent TV, and then on the desk you get your plug sockets, some media connections. Oh, this little lamp. Oh, does it not? Oh, yeah. Nope. Right, there you go. A lamp. And then some menus and stuff for the restaurant here. And then we have a go on the chair. It's very, it's firm and basic, but it's fine for short periods of time. Coming on round, there is the windows with two sets of curtains. So this room has a street view. This is actually above the entrance down the little side road. You can't, as far as I'm aware, no. So you can't open, it's like double glazed, but there's an outer window, a windowsill, and then another set of windows. You can't open this inner set of windows. And then if we look on the other side, it's the same deal. Two sets of curtains that open there. And then if we look up top, do they overlap? Oh yeah, there actually is overlap on the curtains. So yeah, there you go, they overlap. So should block out all the light tonight. This one, oh yeah, this one overlaps as well. Let's see, the fancy curtain rails overlap, so that's nice. Then carrying on round, there's some art of some flowers on the wall, and then this larger chair with a small pillow. If we, oh, there's a lot of give in that. There's a lot of, it's a very soft cushion. This is, yeah, this chair's fine. And then the main part of the room is this queen bed, so it's a fairly regular queen bed. On either side there's shelves. Doesn't come with this phone charger, that's mine, but there's a light switch and these little reading light style things. This shelf has the charger or plug socket beneath it, and then the one on the left doesn't. No, there's no plug socket down here on the left. And then you get a different individual light switch for that light there. Around here there's some heating if you want to warm the room up, and I don't know what this is. So that's it. The room is fairly basic, but it's a Premier Inn. It's got a bed and a bathroom. It's pretty much what you can expect. So let's go check out the bathroom here, which comes as a warning that you need to keep the door closed so you don't set off the fire alarm with steam. Let's have a look in the bathroom then. So it's not the biggest bathroom, but it's got everything you need. There is a toilet with a bin, some toilet paper, this mirror, a sink, you get some soap, and then this room has a bath with a shower, so there is a pretty large and deep bath, to be fair, with some shower gel, and then over here we have the shower with the shower head fixed, and you get some free towels as well. What's around here? Just a towel hook on the back. So there's not really much to see in the bathroom. It's a bathroom. So that's that. That is the room. I'm going to head to sleep now, and then I'll report back tomorrow with what the bathroom, shower and bed was like. So catch you tomorrow. Welcome back. It is the next morning. So let's have a quick recap of what it's like here. I've just been for breakfast. They have the regular Premier Inn breakfast. You got the classic cooked English items like sausage, bacon, hash browns, beans, that sort of thing. And then you've got the continental items like the croissants, the toast, the cornflakes. And so, yeah, breakfast here is good. It's like every Premier Inn. In terms of the room, this is actually probably on the lower end of the Premier Inns I've stayed at. The room is incredibly hot. I mentioned they have no air conditioning. You get this fan, but it doesn't really do much. It's incredibly hot in here, and it's not that warm outside either, so I imagine that it would be an unpleasant experience if it was a warm day. Aside from that, it's kind of noisy as well. Could hear the doors slamming this morning when other people were leaving. So yeah, it was on the lower end of the Premier Inn experience. The bed was fine, just the surrounding things really. Overall, I'd stay here again. The location is really good. It's right by Euston station, 5-minute walk to Euston, 10-minute walk to King's Cross, so the location's really good. It's just the hotel is fairly dated. And that's it really. So if you liked this video, please go ahead and like and subscribe, and otherwise I'll catch you next time.